Hi everyone, let's look at some Indian foundational LLM models as of today, which is just before March 2025. And I'm just going to run through a few significant foundational LLMs that I could find. So the first one is Tech Mahindra's Project Indus, and it is designed to cater to Hindi and 37 plus dialects. So like languages like Bhojpuri, Dogri, Maithili, and etc. So, and it's built. They have been able to collect 1.2 terabytes of data in Hindi and its dialects combined together, and the model size is 1.2 billion parameters. And you can see on Hugging Face they have the model card as well, so you can see more details about. And the use cases are call center, healthcare, automotive, and telecom. Really interesting. And the next very interesting one that I'll take you through is Sarvam AI's Sarvam 2B. And so it's like the name says, it's a 2 billion parameter model, and it supports 10 indic languages. And the data set is apparently 4 trillion tokens data set, out of which it's like 2 trillions is English language and the other 2 trillion is indic languages. So they've combined all the data that they've able to find, and according to them, it is not synthetic data, but it is manually curated data. So that is a huge effort, and it's a 1.5 gigabyte model. It's a 2 billion parameter model, and it's available on Hugging Face as well, so you can see all the details about it. And so it's an open source model, and you can start using it. They even have you can start using it as API. They had an API as well, so you can use it for translating text to speech and for speech recognition and so on. They had agents that they're building, which is very interesting. Telephone, WhatsApp. So this one is something to watch out for. And the next one I will take you through is Ola's Krutrim AI. And Krutrim AI is said to be a 7 billion parameter model, and the training data size is 2 trillion tokens. They have the model card on Hugging Face as well. So here you can see it's a 7 billion parameter dense transformer model, and they have developer Ola Krutrim, and now I believe they have Krutrim 2 in development, and it's pretty interesting. Yeah, they have a lot of data, and here the entire model architecture is listed. The vocabulary size is quite huge, and I believe this is because they've added on the different languages. That's how they're able to achieve a huge vocabulary size. And the next one that I want to go through is Core Rover AI's Bharat GPT. And this one is also making a lot of waves because it's actually useful. People have started using it in real life use cases. And it is a 3 billion parameter model. And they support 12 plus languages like Hindi, Punjabi, Marathi, Malayalam, Oriya, Kannada, Gujarati, Bengali, Urdu, Tamil, and Telugu. So it's multilingual, and Core Rover has developed its proprietary large language model. So that's Bharat GPT, and that's from ground up. And there's plenty of public sector solutions that they're using it for on a daily basis as of today. So that's really interesting that that it's being used on a daily basis. And here you can see so the model type, languages, learn. You can become a Core Rover certified AI professional in 1 hour. Let's look at the next one, which is AI for Bharat, which is they are a team from IIT Madras, and the first big task that needs to be done is collecting data that is not currently, it is not massively, we don't have a large data set in Indic languages. So what they're doing is first collecting all the data that we have and putting them together, so anyone can actually use the open source data that they have collected so far. in all these Indic languages, and they're collecting it from texts, from on the ground, actually going, meeting people, converting the voice to text to get a better understanding of how speech synthesis works in all these languages and the various dialects. So this is a massive effort where they in data collection. Yeah, as you know, like that is the biggest hurdle, one of the biggest hurdles that we have to building a foundational model. And then you can see, there's all this data sets that's available open source, and you can start using them. And they have their own model as well, indic BERT, which is quite powerful. And there it is. It's trained on 9 billion tokens. 9 billion tokens of from that they have collected across all these 12 languages. And the model name is sorry. Yeah. So it's so this indic BERT, and let's see how many it is. 3 billion parameter model, I believe. Yeah, it's a 3 billion parameter model. And if you have more information about this or any other models that I'm discussing here, please drop it in the comments so we can learn more. And the next one that I want to talk about is Gyan AI. And it seems they're doing a lot of research, and it's pointed towards certain sectors, so they have legal LLM, Math Gen AI, Tutor LLM, Math Gen AI, Tutor LLM as a service. So they're also training their own foundational model from scratch, and it's pretty interesting. As of now, I can't find a model card for Gyan AI, but this is another effort that's happening, made and trained in India, SAS for India and beyond, German engineering with Indian heart, and you can collaborate with them. And so all of these efforts, guys, if you're really interested in this stuff and you want to get into it, just write them an email, just send them a message, and hopefully you can collaborate with them because they're always looking for people who can collaborate from all angles. It doesn't have to be only AI, engineering, ML. So that's the other one that we'll talk about is Bharat Gen. And this one is IIT Bombay's project, and it's actually just started in September 2024, so a few months. It's been just a few months, and they're aiming to be multimodal and multilinguistic for Indian languages. And here you can see there's like a wide departments are participating in this initiative. They have something called the Bharat Data Sagar. So it is again a multilingual data repository. They are collecting data and building this repository. And then there's a video. So if you can actually go to these websites, I'll drop the link to all these websites in the description, and you can see their initiatives. You can see what they're doing actually. And it's very, very interesting. There's lots of stuff happening. And the final one I'll talk about is Hanuman AI, which is making waves because of many reasons. One is it ranges from 1.5 billion parameter model to 40 billion parameter models. So it is huge. Like considering the data that we have, so they're training a massively large model, but they've also mentioned they are supporting 98 global languages, including 12 Indian languages, and that's probably why they can afford to have a big model, that they have so much data with them, 98 global languages, and they have very interesting partnerships happening, and it's also available online. You can, if you pay a fee for deployment, like it's actually already deployed, but if you pay a fee, a monthly subscription, then you can start using them and in your for your daily uses. So these are all the ones that I want to cover in this short video. And also government is has an initiative, India AI mission, and they have, I believe, 18,800 GPUs, and about 1 billion US dollars for creating foundational models and AI and vertical specific AI models. So, we are not far behind. We're progressing in the right direction. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. Hope this was helpful. Drop any comments and see you in the next video.